Today we're in St. Augustine, Florida. It's episode 31 of our vlog from St. Augustine, Florida. This was November of 2020. We saw in the previous video in the vlog that we were riding around on the trolley all day, and we had a lot more footage of that actually, but it kind of gets a little bit repetitive, so I'm sort of fast forwarding in the day to later on in the evening, late afternoon, when we decided to tour the San Sebastian Winery. It's a pretty neat building. It's 2 stories. You can do a little bit of a tour through the second level and they'll show you some of the behind the scenes of how they make the wine. And as you can see from the footage here, there's a very extensive area for you to do some shopping and kind of check out all the different wines that they have. So if you're in the St. Augustine area and you like wine, you definitely want to check this place out. Yes, it is. Yeah.
It's worth it. And I ended up buying and then they have that like I had it in they were really nice. They're very different from the rest of the I just wanted to walk. Yeah. That's so weird. Isn't that awesome? The port? Yeah. It went over that. Yeah, right?
Pickled garlic and jalapeno.
This one's going to have a lot of great citrus flavors to it, and it's going to pair really nicely with fresh seafood dishes.